Ladies and gents, how's it going? Bud Puffs coming to you with another review, and today we are having a wee look at some flavours from... fuck knows. Hey guys, what's up? Bud Puffs coming to you with another review, and today we have flavours from these guys. Flavour Boss. So the first flavour from these guys I have already actually got wicked up, ready to go, but this time it is in the Kylan V2. On top of my favourite as ever, the PWM Titan model, got it at 2.8 volts, 0.1 ohms. That's 78 watts that is coming out at. The Kylan, I gave it a good review. Now, in terms of flavour, it still gets a good review, but it fucking pisses liquid like an old lady in a nursing home. Look at that. Now, that's not my shit wicking, before you say anything. This leaking is actually coming from the base. It comes from the 510. This is a quality control issue. Some people have it, some people don't. What can I say? Typical fucking luck that I've got, I have the leak. So let's give this a wee try. This is Milkman. So I'm sure you all know what Milkman usually tastes like. Generally a strawberry kind of milkshake or a strawberry ice cream kind of flavour. So let's give it a wee try. And she bubbles, she bubbles. The inhale in this flavour is a nice light sweet strawberry inhale that you get, and as you exhale that it becomes a bit more rich and full, but with a really nice creamy milk that comes as you exhale. Maybe a slight syntheticness to the strawberry, but I like that. It makes it feel like a strawberry milkshake. It's really nice and sweet. There's no colada in it, which is a bit of a bonus for me. There's a wee bit of something else in there. I'm not quite sure what it is. I don't know if it's just another type of strawberry that I put in it, but it kind of adds to the depth of the flavour a wee bit. But yeah, absolutely fucking spot on for that one. Thumbs up for the first flavour. That was a Flavour Boss Milkman. This is either 0, 3 or 6 milligrams. They haven't actually put a wee dot in to say what. The sample packaging is pretty basic, but this is the sample packaging. If you want to see on the website, the other flavours have more kind of fancy packaging. So let's move on. We're going to take this off of here before it fucking pisses anymore. The flavour in that tank is absolutely fantastic. The issue that I have is that it leaks, but I put up with the leaking because the flavour's so good. Anyway, there it is, couldn't find this. So what is happening this week anyway is I am getting the Gear RTA in to give that a wee try by Orf. So we'll give that a wee try. That might replace the Kylan. I'm not certain though, because it is only a single coil RTA. And on top of that, we're getting the Vandy Vape Widowmaker in to give that a wee test as well. Those should be here tomorrow. So we're now putting the purple slush into the drop dead. It's actually already wicked up, but we're just going to add a wee bit extra. So here we have the next flavour. Flavour Boss. And this one is the purple slush. So according to their website, the purple slush is a delicious mix of grape, berries and boysenberry, and the recipe is by Mr. Graham Kerr. This comes in a 60ml shortfill, which at the moment on the website is only $6.99, but it is also available in the DIY one shot range as well. Let me get the price for that. I can't because I've fucked the monitor. So let's give this a wee try. Purple slush. So that's quite mild at the 78 watts, so I'm going to chuck it up to 116. Inhale straight away is menthol. So the menthol flavour is quite strong maybe slightly strong for me to use as an all-day vape. On the exhale, you are then getting a kind of almost like a blue slushy flavour to start with the boysenberries in it, but well, the boysen and mixed berries. But then towards the end of that, you suddenly kind of start to feel that grape flavour just creeping in, and it's really nice. It's not there all the time. It sneaks in right at the end of that exhale. It's really well done actually. Proper nice, that. Really nice. The only thing for me is the colada that's in it. Not always that keen on colada, but it's not ridiculously strong. Could I vape all day? Nah, probably not. But if you like menthol, then certainly you probably could vape that all day. It's just because of the menthol colada thing in it that I couldn't vape it all day. But yeah, really nice flavour anyway. And the grape really is really nice in that. The grape just sneaks up on you towards the very end of your exhale. So very nice. What we'll do now is go for the Cola Slush. Cola Slush, there we go. About fucking half an hour later it decides to focus. Yes, Cola Slush, but before that I'm going to have to re-wick this. Okay, so we're just about ready to go with this cola. Again, this flavour is available in the Shortfill version, or you can buy what they call the Boss shots. Let me just see how much those are actually. A Boss shot is $9.99 to $35.99. So the website's loading. A wee bit more of this cola, and I just want this nice and soaking. There we go. So yes, the product is prone to separation. So 250 mils of the concentrate will get you. You'll get that from $9.99. It's one of these. They will send you the everything but the VG, PG, and nicotine. So I think you just top it up. So $9.99 for 250 mils. You just top up the bottle, or for a litre you are talking $35.99, which really is quite reasonable considering how much a litre of pre-mixed e-liquid would cost you. So this is cola, apparently with an authentic cola slush with a slice of lemon on the side, and just even filling this up, the smell of cola is really strong, and I think you can actually smell that lemon a wee bit. So we're going to go at 2.9 volts initially. If that's focused, I can't see the camera. Yeah, it is 2.9 volts, which works out at 84.1 watts. So we'll give this a wee try. So, lots of colada and menthol in there. It's a bit like sucking off a Yeti. But it's still quite nice. The inhale is, you get the slight colaness to it, but as you exhale that, it tastes like, more so than actual drinking Coca-Cola or anything like that, it tastes very much like the jelly cola bottles that you would get. And you do actually get that wee hint of lime right at the, lemon right at the very end of your exhale. So yeah, it's really quite nice. The only thing for me is I'm not keen on the menthol colada things that's happening there, but you are buying a fucking slush, so you kind of need to expect it. Personally, if I've ever DIY'd a cola or any kind of slush, I tend not to put colada in it, but probably I'm the weird one in doing that, to be fair. So yeah, not too bad at all. That really was not too bad. I like that cola slush. So in general, the two slush flavours are really nice. Not an all-day vape for me, purely because of the menthol and colada, but that is a personal thing, and I'm probably quite weird for not wanting the menthol and colada in a fucking slush vape, to be honest. It's me that's in the wrong, most likely in this case, but they're still really quite nice. The grape in that purple slush is really quite nice as it starts to come through towards the end of your exhale. But number one for me has got to be the Milkman. It is a really nice strawberry flavour that you're getting in there. There's just the right amount of sweetness to it. There isn't any colada, which is probably why I prefer it over the other two. But yeah, in general, Flavour Boss have sent me some really nice flavours here. I purchased these on their website. I purchased these on their website. I've still got a few flavours to go. I had ordered all these 10ml and they had thrown in this 30ml I think bottle as well. Quite happy with that. So yeah, Flavour Boss, thumbs up from me. So guys, I have been Bud Buffs. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, leave a wee comment below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button as well. If you hit the wee bell notification, I will annoy the tits off you. Anytime I upload, you'll get a wee notification as well. So thank you very much once again for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.